penguin came to my house today. But the zookeeper took him away. Bye-bye, little penguin. Be good.
Enjoy your peace. It won't last long.
Finally, my house is safe now.
Bye-bye, Keeper. I cannot stay here. Hey! Stop! Come here right now! Hey! Stop! Must keep moving. Gotta get back. Finally, I'm back. Home sweet home.
I'm so hungry. Oh, let's check the fridge.
Close the door. I am getting warm.
You again?
This is my new home now.
Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do now?
Finally, the cheese paradise. My long journey was worth it. Don't forget to subscribe.